Today we present our brand new product, the smallest granulator with conical rollers from Artmarsh LLC. The granulator is equipped with a 15 kW motor, a starter with a thermal relay and an emitter. It has a weight of 230 kg and its average productivity is 300–400 kg per hour. The granulator has a hypoid gearbox with high-quality bearings. Artmarsh LLC cares about the quality of its products and has decided to switch to bearings available from the best brands. The first bearing is from ZKL. It is a well-known global brand from the Czech Republic, an amazing bearing renowned for its excellent quality. The second bearing comes from the world-renowned NTN company, which collaborates with major companies like Boeing, Airbus and others. This bearing is made in Japan. The third bearing that is used in our products is from the Japanese-French S&R company. With over 70 years in the market, S&R is known for producing bearings of exceptional quality. GKP15 granulator from Artmarsh LLC has a significant advantage: conical rollers. Conical rollers maintain the same speed on the outer and inner diameters, which ensures higher productivity, a significantly longer lifespan for the die and rollers, and quieter equipment operation. The 22 kW and 37 kW models have the rollers designed in such a way that they require no maintenance. For the 15 kW granulator, this roller production scheme also does not require maintenance, lubrication or supervision. This is a central shaft of the 15 kW granulator, which transmits torque from the gearbox to the rollers. The central shaft of the granulator is fully polished at the bearing seats. Made of spring steel and heat-treated, it can withstand extremely high mechanical loads. It is very convenient to set the coaxiality of the axis on this 15 kW Artmarsh granulator with conical rollers. If it is necessary to align the two half couplings, specifically the motor half coupling and the gearbox half coupling, it can be easily done using the available adjustments. Both the hopper and spout of this granulator are made of stainless steel. The 15 kW granulator is equipped with a high-quality starter and has dual protection, a thermal overload relay to safeguard the motor and an emitter to monitor the load. So, let's conduct two experiments. First, let's check the load on the motor. As you can see, even when the hopper is filled with a large amount of raw material, the motor continues to run smoothly. Now, let's measure the granulator's productivity over the course of 1 minute. We zeroed the bucket's weight and got 7.3 kg per minute. So, the hourly productivity will be 438 kg with 6 mm pellets. Artmarsh LLC has made a deliberate decision to increase the warranty on this granulator to 2 years. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below or contact our managers directly.